there, my dear learners. Let's multiply these decimals. Need not worry, it's very simple. The trouble here is the decimal point. Let's hide it, get rid of it, just ignore they even exist. Do your math. 3 times 5 is 15. You carry the 1, 3 times 1 is 3. You add the 1 you carried, makes it 4. Do your math as you normally would do without the decimal points. The result would be 345. Now it's time to welcome the decimals back. Bye bye smiley faces. The decimal points are back. Now it's time to count the number of digits after the decimal points in the question. So after the decimal points, there's 1 and 2. There are 2 digits after the decimal point in the question. Now move to the result. From right to left, count 2 digits and place your decimal point after the 2 digits. Remember, you're going to count from right to left. Now your result would be 3.45. If you multiply 1.5 and 2.3, the result is 3.45. Smash the like button and comment your favorite decimal. Until next time, enjoy the grace of learning.
Go to our channel The Grace of Learning for more.